Hello friends, have you encountered a situation like this that you need to charge a few electronic devices and your table looks so messy? Alright, not to worry, today is another budget and useful recommendation. I recommend you guys a device that will solve all these problems. Alright, let's go. Right, this is the device that can solve all the messy problem. There are two colors available, the white and the black, alright? And this is how it looks like when dismantle everything. Now let's take a look at the features of this device. This is for the iPods, this is for the wireless charging, and this is a rotary charging dot for Type-C, micro USB or lightning, alright? So you can charge your Android or Apple devices using just one simple device. And basically this is a watch hanger. You can actually use your Apple Watch charger. There's a USB output over here, so you can actually link them and put your charger here so you can charge your Apple Watch. Alright, and the input for this device is maximum 5V 3A or 9V 2A. Alright, this is how you can charge your handphone and your earpiece using one device. Alright, actually you can put in another Type-C handphone over here. This is you can rotate this thing, and this thing is movable for easy access. Alright, this is another device. You can just plug it in. This is a Type-C, so I'm using this micro USB for my earpiece. This is a Type-C handphone, and this wireless charging, and this is from the additional output. I can charge my this Android watch. One more last thing is that if you don't have iPods, you can actually buy a converter and you can use it to charge any devices that you want. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.